In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a QuickBooks Invoice template. Managing the financial aspects of your business can be daunting, but with QuickBooks, an array of tools is at your disposal to make this task smoother, and one of them is customizing your invoice templates. Custom invoices not only present a professional image, but also ensure that you provide all the necessary details to your customers in a format that represents your brand. To start this process, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once there, you'll see a variety of options, but your focus should be on the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking this will bring you closer to personalizing your invoice template. Following the Sign In prompt, you'll be asked to enter your credentials, that is your email and password. Fill these in to gain access to your account. This step is crucial for the security and privacy of your financial data. With access secured to your QuickBooks account, your next step involves navigating to the creation of a new invoice. Look for a New option, which should be readily available from your dashboard or menu. Upon locating and clicking New, you're a few steps closer to achieving your goal. Subsequently, you should see an option for Invoice. This is where you select the type of new document you wish to create. By clicking on Invoice, QuickBooks prepares to guide you through the customization process of your invoice template. Now, this is where the magic begins. At the bottom of the invoice module, you'll find a Customize button. This innocuous button is your gateway to making your invoices truly yours. Click on Customize to proceed to the next crucial phase. Upon clicking Customize, look for an option that says Edit Current. This option allows you to modify the existing template you are using for your invoices. It's all about refining and improving, ensuring that your invoices reflect the professionalism and uniqueness of your business. The customization options are extensive. You're now at a point where you can edit the current template design to your heart's content. From adjusting fonts and colors to deciding which information fields to include, QuickBooks provides you with the flexibility to tailor your invoices in a way that best suits your business identity and needs. After diving into and exploring the myriad of customization options available, tweaking your invoice template to perfectly suit your requirements, the final step in this journey is to click on Done. This action saves all the changes you have meticulously made, solidifying your custom invoice template in QuickBooks. Remember, the way your business presents itself financially is instrumental in establishing trust and professionalism with your clients. Customizing your QuickBooks invoice template not only aids in clear communication of charges, but also serves as an extension of your brand's identity. We hope this guide has provided you with insightful steps to navigate QuickBooks and customize your invoice template effectively. Thank you for following along. Feel free to revisit any sections if you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore further customization options that QuickBooks offers to make your financial management process as personalized and efficient as possible.